This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Andrew Fentiman. Lovely turnkey furnished third floor, with elevator, 2-bedroom 2-bathroom condo, Ashbury floor plan. Grand lake and golf course views and sunsets, unimpeded in both directions, in one of the area's most desirable bundled golf communities. Great location with neighborhood pool complex across the street. Recent upgrades in the condo include painting, new GE refrigerator/freezer west/icemaker and indoor ice/water dispenser, new Bosch silent dishwasher, new living room furniture, new dining area furniture, new master bedroom set, new TV in living room, new circuit breakers. Tile in main areas, carpet in bedrooms, granite kitchen countertops, stainless steel appliances, eat and breakfast area. Spacious storage closet across breezeway, 1 assigned carport parking space. Enjoy 718 acres with 27 Lewis/Azinger-designed holes of championship golf, renovated clubhouse, 2021, with restaurant/bar and social activities, resort-style pool, cabana bar, 7 Har-Tru tennis courts, pickleball courts, bocce, fitness center with exercise classes and billiards. Heritage Bay has it all for those seeking a private bundled and inclusive gated Florida recreational lifestyle on our gorgeous Paradise Coast. For more information, review the details below or contact Andrew Fentiman at 239-390-4091.